For many years, Tudor has been overshadowed by its bigger brother Rolex. They are finally beginning to make headlines and quickly becoming one of the most talked about watch brands. The brand is receiving more and more attention following the launch of its Heritage line and is being hailed as one of the hottest names in the industry at a much more affordable price point for consumers. These watches have been worn by some of the most daring adventurers throughout history, including the 30 explorers who wore Tudor watches on their wrists on the 2-year British North Greenland expedition to study Arctic ice almost 70 years ago. The expedition's watches were provided by Hans Wilsdorf, the company's founder. He had only produced the first waterproof and self-winding Tudor watch, the Oyster Prince, and couldn't think of a better place to put it to the test than the Arctic. Recently, Tudor introduced a new technical model with a completely different look. It features a 39mm diameter, a fixed steel bezel, and a manufacturer caliber with built-in GMT function. The Black Bay model pays homage to the pioneering Explorer's instruments. This is a tool watch made for professionals. Is the Tudor Black Bay Pro the perfect 39mm GMT watch for you? Welcome back to Above First Class. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's talk a bit about Tudor first. The brand's latest success may be traced back to 2012 when it was reintroduced in North America. Tudor decided to pay tribute to its roots and take inspiration from its vintage models from the pioneering collection after a challenging era. The watches are exceptionally well made in terms of design, and many of them feature movements which are made in-house. The fact that the watches are both functional and fashionable at the same time has made them extremely popular with collectors and enthusiasts. The fact that you can have Rolex design quality at a significantly lesser price is maybe the most crucial reason why Tudor watches have become widely known. This has made buying a luxury wristwatch far more attainable, attracting collectors and investors to vintage models as well as the current ones. Now let's take a closer look at the Tudor Black Bay Pro. This watch appears to be a fixed bezel 39mm GMT with a matte black dial and a burnt yellow GMT hand, which is good enough on its own. But the details are what really set it apart. The bezel is brushed steel with almost the same typeface in black fill as the larger GMT, giving it an Explorer II Ref 1655 feel in this setting. The brushing has a pleasing grain that spreads out from the dial and finishes at a polished chamfer. However, the new Black Bay Pro isn't quite what some fans of the brand had hoped for. There was a considerable need for a smaller Black Bay GMT, which may have been achieved within the BB58 case with a bidirectional rotating bezel. Tudor, on the other hand, had a different idea and designed a more compact GMT watch with a somewhat different interpretation. We're coming closer to a Rolex Explorer II concept, shifting away some typical dive watch codes or traditional GMT references. Without a doubt, this feature gives the watch an edge. It's really shocking to see it on a Tudor. This reveals an adventure instrument watch which is not designed for a certain purpose, but may be used for a number of things. The dial has a modest grain to it, and all of the markers and indexes are off-white. It's perfectly balanced to have a softness we may link with age, but a warm and rustic character as well. Either it's a patina tone or a stark white, a sharp eye could have already picked up on something else missing from the dial: marker surrounds. Tudor has used a lume or ceramic composite for the first time, rather than the normal small polished containers. The outcome has two effects. The first is the three-dimensional markers that illuminate from all angles and have a considerable amount of depth. The other is a dial with a more rustic, pad-printed appearance and no polished surfaces. The reference time is shown on the Black Bay Pro model by an angular yellow snowflake hand, a Tudor aesthetic trademark which completes a lap of the dial every 24 hours. Another shorter snowflake hand set by a jumping hour which can be shifted backwards or forward indicates local time. The date, which is displayed through an aperture at 3 o'clock, is linked to the local time hand, so that when setting the time and passing midnight in retrograde, it jumps to the previous day directly. For the user, this is a pretty unique, smart, and extremely useful function. Tudor created the manufacturer caliber MT5652 with built-in GMT feature for the Black Bay Pro model. This automatic movement features an anti-magnetic silicone hairspring and is chronometer certified by COSC. A robust transversal bridge also keeps the variable inertia balance in place, which relies on adaptable architecture to incorporate new functions into manufactured movements instead of relying on additional modules. It may be a minor detail for a few, but it's vital for watchmakers. It has a weekend-proof power reserve of roughly 70 hours. This allows the wearer to remove the watch on Friday evening and put it back again on Monday morning without bothering to reset it. Enjoying this video so far? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This watch, like most Tudor watches, comes with a variety of strap and bracelet options. The first and most noteworthy is a steel bracelet inspired by the brand's 1950s and 1960s folding riveted bracelets. It has a traditional riveted profile and has a folding clasp. The apparent rivet heads on the side of the bracelet that held the links together made them known around the world. The links also had a unique step design. The latest bracelet incorporates contemporary manufacturing methods with solid links and laser-finished rivet-style heads. The Black Bay Pro also comes with a black rubber hybrid strap and fabric with a folding clasp, as well as a black and yellow jacquard fabric strap designed in France by Julien Fauré. The fabric strap is one of the brand's signature features, and it was one of the first watchmaking brands to ever offer it in 2010. The Julien Fauré company in Saint-Étienne has woven it using a traditional method of 19th century jacquard looms. Its production and quality and comfort on the wrist are unmatched. The list of additional features in this model is completed with a new bracelet clasp with a Tudor T-Fit rapid size adjustment system. The T-Fit system is simple to use, doesn't need any tools, and has 5 positions. It lets the wearer make a fine quick adjustment of up to 8 mm on the clasp. And while this watch is part of the Black Bay lineup, it includes a number of new and special aesthetic features, beginning with the winding crown, which is built for maximum grip. When it comes to the crown, you'll find something truly different, and no, I'm not referring to the engraved rose logo, but the shape itself. The thin fluted profile and aluminum tube on the crown have been replaced by a classic, fully notched crown, the Rolex way, if you will, as was the case in the past. This new component is set flush in the middle of the caseband so that its tube is not visible, similar to the curves found on the crowns of the brand's traditional technical watches. The applied hour markers on the dial are composed of monoblock luminous ceramic, which is another interesting element. This function boosts the Black Bay Pro's technical look while significantly increasing the luminous surface on the hour markers. The new Tudor Black Bay Pro is the ideal adventure watch. It's robust and readable. It has a GMT complication for travel. It can dive. It's completely equipped. It has a robustness that helps make it fit for exploration or any harsh terrain, or maybe even a sky-compliant design. It's the type of watch you'd want to have for the weekend getaways and outdoor activities. This watch can't be worn for business or with formal attire. However, more and more of us are actually not wearing a suit to work these days. This is definitely a watch that can be worn everywhere and is capable of doing anything. So what are your thoughts on this amazing watch? Please let us know in the comment section below, and if you loved the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time above first class.